Hello, everyone, and welcome to Linky, my final TDF project, an app that lets you build your community your way. Linky was born as a solution to the problem that is professionals struggling to efficiently collect contact information during networking events and also having a difficult time managing these contacts and identifying the right contacts to achieve certain career goals, often relying on scattered data sources and manual processes. Now, Linky is a one-stop shop that helps you streamline all of these processes intelligently and using AI-powered systems. The project level rationale for me is axolotl because this challenge has pushed me to learn a lot of new software and a lot of new coding languages. It's forced me to learn how to use Postman. It's forced me to learn how to develop web scraping tools and work with the API and integrating APIs. And also, it is a project that I've taken to the point of establishing a startup with my friends. And I think because of all the work put into creating a proof of concept to reach that level, it is rationally within the axolotl category. The system architecture for the Linky app is first we will receive input in form of text and also as a drop down field where users can specify who exactly they're looking for within their contact base and what career goals they're kind of trying to achieve by interacting with with the category of people that they want to select. And then an API that is connected to LinkedIn scrapes through LinkedIn and collects a lot of contact information for relevant connections to achieve these career goals as prompted by the inputs given by the user, and then processing all of this information and zero it, hosted on this cloud infrastructure, and then providing recommendations to the user as to who exactly to contact and how to contact them in order to achieve their stated career goals. I should mention right now that this is one of the many features that Linky offers, but this is one of the core ones. So we're going to dive a little bit deeper into this algorithmic process. The system architecture is there will be a user input that is a text, a short text input prompt, as well as a drop down menu. Then the input data is sent to the scraping system via API. The scrape data is then parsed and analyzed by the LLM using zero width, and the results are formatted and displayed in the user interface that I have developed. The experiments were very vast across multiple platforms. The biggest challenge is to create a scraping tool that scraped the right kind of data from LinkedIn and also navigating and learning how to use LinkedIn development tools. As you can see, I had to familiarize myself with Postman, LinkedIn developer tools, develop some code in Python, as well as interact with zero width instead of a zero width environment to facilitate the processing and analyzing of all the LinkedIn data. The result is an algorithm that, as seen on the screen, when prompted to search for certain job titles, for example, goes into your LinkedIn profile and scrapes all this data and provides it in a very and provides it in the form of a tiered recommendation list for who to contact and when to contact them. The final outcome that the user sees is this summarized and effective response to their query with just a few names that have been selected by considering a lot of variables to do with entrepreneur the effectiveness of networking strategies within professional spaces, whether the user provides a comprehensive input, telling the system exactly what it wants, or if they just search by tag and do not provide a lot of comprehensive information, the system is able to figure out based on past information and also this contextual data who exactly is the right person to be put in front of the face of the user. I also developed a Linky application, wireframe, which I will now demonstrate to you to show you the full functionality of the Linky software. So once you log into the Linky application, you'll be confronted with the first screen, which is your screen, you, the user. This is your contact card. This is the information that you can choose to share with people at networking events as your contact information. Now, you also have a smart assistant at the front page that asks you what event you're going to attend to so that it can advise you on what kind of information to share on your contact card because your contact card is adjustable. Additionally, we present you with three ways to collect other people's contact information. You can collect them by scanning their physical cards, which will then populate their information in a specific profile within the application. We also have enabled a smart feature that can go online, look for the information of this user, and populate even more contact information in, into their contact card. Additionally, the new connection that you're making can manually type in their contact information, but also they can tap your phone and use NTF technology to wirelessly transfer information to you. All of your contacts are arranged in this user-friendly way that is easy to sort through by using customizable tags and multiple search options. Additionally, when you find your contact and you want to plan how exactly to approach them, here is where the algorithm will come into play, suggesting the right techniques to use to achieve the goals that you want to achieve. Addedly, you're able to integrate your Linky card to your Apple Wallet for easy access for the networker on the go. The outcome and the live demonstration of the Linky application interface, which is the AI system that now kind of suggests who to contact and how to contact with, is what I'm going to demonstrate now. So, say you want to contact someone in the engineering field, you just click that, and if you run the flow without putting any prompt, the LLM system will parse through all the data that you have in your local contact database as well as your LinkedIn to provide you a list of recommendations and telling you exactly why they have top relevance and how exactly you should approach them. In addition, it prompts you to let it know if you need further contact information, and if you do, it will go in and create an even more detailed list, achieving all of this. I'm happy to also share that we have formed a team around this product and we are planning to push it into a startup project, and these are the amazing people joining me on this journey. And thank you for taking the time to start